Hi everybody. So we're going to go over what we've done in class so far and maybe look ahead just a little bit. So here we go. 12 bar blues. Ready? Let's go down, up, tap, tap. Swing rhythm, go. Scale, 4 repeated notes, swing rhythm. Duckbill. Put your thumb at the right place, curl up. Ready, go. Opens. Open 5th, 2nd fret. Open 3rd string. Open 2nd. Open 1st. And let's do 3-0-3-0 with a straight rhythm. 3-0, ready, go. Let's do 3-0-3-0 with a swing rhythm. Ready, go. 3-0-3-0-3. 3rd string. 4th. 5th. 0-3-0-3. 5th string. Let's do 4 pull-offs. Remember a pull-off? We hold that first note down, that 3rd fret. We play the string down here with the right hand with a rest stroke. And then we pull off without moving our hand. 2nd string will be 3rd fret, hold it down, then pluck it. Do a rest stroke with this finger. Come to rest against that 1st string. Try a couple of those. Pluck it down here on the 3rd string. Right, and then down we go all the way across. We get down to the 6th string. We do hammers. We pluck the open and just hammer it and hold it. Okay, here we go. 4 on a string, like on page 16 in the blues book, if you want to take a look at that. Ready, go. 1 and 2. 2 more on the 1st string. 2nd string. 3rd string. 4th string. fifth string. Sixth. And hammers. Pluck the open, hit. 2, 3, 4. Keep your fingers pointing down at the strings. Fifth string. 2, 3, 4. Fourth string. Third. Second string with your fourth finger. Okay, so get good with all that. I'll play the 12-bar blues chords. You can improvise a little bit. Just any note of the pentatonic scale is good. Try to stay with the beat, but play any notes you want. Pause when you want to. Get ready for the next thing you're going to play. Ready, go. Hope you had fun with that. Next, we're going to do Rock Around the Clock. So, do a balloon with me. Big breath. Balloon. When it stops coming out, don't worry about it. Don't force it. Big breath. Balloon. Top to bottom, big breath. Balloon. One more time. Big breath. Balloon. Okay. Make your A chord. Remember, that's your A seventh with these two fingers. And plug up the hole with your first finger. Third string, second fret. Go back and forth to D seventh, which is a triangle, very much like your B7 triangle. A, D seventh. A, D seventh. Make your A. When we go to E7, this finger stays on the string, slides down to the first fret. We finish E7. We go back to A. We slide that finger halfway up and put our A7 fingers down right around it. Try that. Lift, slide, finish. Lift, slide halfway up, finish. Lift, slide just across the fret, finish. Lift, we go halfway up to make room for our other fingers. Finish. Lift, slide, place. Okay, here we go. Rock around the clock. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, E7. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your egg-glad rags on and join me, hon. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1. D7, rock around the clock to A. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad day. E7, we're gonna rock, gonna D7. Sorry, around the clock tonight. Strikes 2 and 3 and 4. If the band slows down, we'll yell for D7. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. A, rock, rock, here's the outro. Rest strokes down here, 5th fret. 2, 3, 4. So here's how we do that little outro. It's the end, the part that we stick on the end of Rock Around. We get ready with rest strokes. We go 5, 5, 5 with my 4th finger, open. 3, 3, 3, open. 2, 2, 2, open. 1, 1, 1, oh, oh. Count to 3, 3, 4. Then, oh, 2 with this finger, 4th fret with the 3rd finger. And you might have to watch that a couple times. It's 0, 2, 4, 5 without using your middle finger. 0, 2, 4, 5. Here's the whole thing again, slow motion. 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 2, 4, 5. Hit your A chord. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, I need you to know 2 verses by heart. So, and you can look that up on ultimateguitar.com. For Rock Around the Clock, the first chord is A, and I'd like to eventually do it with capo too, so you need to have capos for this next week. Okay, so the next chords that we're going to do are the C chord. So take a look here. That's what looks good. 3rd finger on the 5th string. And 2nd finger on the 4th string. 1st finger on the 2nd string. Listen to that, make sure it's good. And then when we go to a G chord, bounce these 2 fingers over to the 6th string. Matter of fact, just bounce them back and forth. Get used to bouncing those 2 fingers together. Lift this finger, pull your 4th finger back to the 2nd, or to the 1st string, 3rd fret. And that's your G chord. If you have made G chords before, maybe you didn't use this fingering, this is a really good fingering. Go back and forth to C. These 2 fingers just move 1. You gotta put your pinky back there. If you have to help it with this finger on your right hand, help it get over there. Go back and forth, G to C, G to C. Just do that a bunch. You can pause the tape here if you want. And then we're going to go G to D. These 2 fingers, instead of going next door, they're going to go all the way across to the 1st string and the 2nd string. Practice just taking those all the way straight across in the same fret that they're on. And this finger goes here. That's your D chord. It's a nice triangle. I'm trying to get this so it doesn't. There we go. Practice G to D, G to D, G to D. And that's going to get us ready for Let It Be, which is a song that we're going to do by the Beatles. We're going to capo 7 for it. And there's my G chord up there. When I find myself D in times of trouble, E minor. Mother Mary C comes to me, G. Speaking words D of wisdom, C. Let it be in G. That'll get you started on that one. All right. Practice every day.